Ojai is a unique blend of quaint, independently owned shops and stores nestled around stunning vistas. Locals have told me about the Topa Topa Mountains at sunset, revealing a colourful secret. Kia and Edmunds have teamed up and we're setting out to find the perfect stretch of road, a great bite and cool places to visit.
Wow.
All on a weekend road trip to Ojai, California. I'm Jonathan Thompson. Here's what we discovered on our grand road trip. At sunset, the reflection of the Topa Topa Mountains give what the locals call a pink moment. If I'm going to watch this, I should grab a picnic and find a great spot to enjoy it. What better place to start than Need Baking Company, located right in the heart of Ojai.
For the perfect Ojai picnic, what would you recommend?
Getting some of our products that feature local produce, a loaf of our fresh sourdough bread, and also maybe one of our citrus cakes featuring local lemons and oranges.
The good thing when packing for a road trip is that the Stinger has plenty of space. Under the available hands-free hatch is a large cargo area which is more than enough for all your luggage and picnicking needs, and seats that fold down for even more room. While gathering goods, you might as well do some sightseeing. At the corner of Canada Street is the legendary Bart's Books. They are the largest independently owned and operated outdoor bookstore in the US.
Bart's has between 100 and 150,000 books. Our books are priced anywhere from 50 cents, which would be the books on the sidewalk outside on the street, to upwards of $10,000. Our most expensive book in the store now is a first edition of a Jane Austen novel, Northanger Abbey from 1833.
I've stocked up on travel books, so let's get back on the road. I'm traveling alone today, but the Stinger is spacious enough if you have a few friends in the back. I'm also a fan of the fastback design. This is no boxy sedan. There's some great attention to detail. Designed in the European tradition of a Gran Turismo, it's built to fit two couples. Well, we're here. This, a perfect note to end on.